Hey, Armcandy gang. I know, right? How gorgeous is today's bag? Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely stunning piece. Welcome to our Armcandy Bag Co channel. So today's bag is this epic Gucci Marmont size mini in absolutely excellent pristine condition. I don't think it's ever been used. It is just the most beautiful but perfect colour just as we're going into spring, summer. And as those pub gardens start to open up, I just love this bag. So we've got a long strap with it, part chain, part leather, and it does that nifty trick where you can have it long or you can pull that to make it half the length. I've not done that in a very stylish way at all. There we go. Get that so it's half the length. Size-wise, the exact measurements are on the website. I am 5'4" and a UK size 10. Okay, I would probably be more likely to wear it crossbody if it was me. It's so cool, isn't it? I think it's gorgeous. Unless, in fact, while we're here, if you're a shoulder, you're talking that kind of length. So we've got the beautiful shape on the back, gorgeous heart, the double G. And it's a flat closure with a push lock fasten. So underneath here, can you see there's a little bit, you just push that in and it releases the fastener there. Inside it is stunning. So you've got the same kind of creamy leather on the top, and inside is a sort of suede, really soft lining in a really beautiful, it's almost like a peachy kind of colour. Can you see the colourway? It's so, perhaps it's better if I just keep it in. So pretty and soft and gentle, beautiful. One little flat pocket. I'll bring you in so you can see the tab. Let's see if I can, there we go. And then the underneath. Okay. So let's do that up and obviously put it on while I talk you through what it comes with. So it comes with the Gucci dust bag. We've also got a Gucci envelope. We've got a really cool green Gucci envelope, and in there is thank you, we look forward to assisting you again from Gucci, and then also the care card from Gucci as well. And as I said, the condition is excellent. The exterior is excellent. The interior is excellent. The hardware is excellent. It is as new. And it is beautiful. And it is right at this precise second that I'm saying this, it is on the website and available to buy. It will probably sell very quickly, so if you're interested, go, go, go. There is a link to buy this. If you go to my comments below the video, there's a link. It will take you straight to this on the website. On the website, of course, you'll have all of our other that you can see, pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. They're all on there. And remember on the website, sign up to the newsletter. And then we'll set you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It will only take you a few seconds. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a box. You pop your email address in there, and we'll send you your discount code. It comes immediately, and if it doesn't come within, say, a minute or so, then just check the spam folder because it's probably gone into your spam. What else do you need to know? If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, then remember to subscribe and hit the bell. If bags are your thing, then you absolutely need to subscribe to this channel because every day we have a new bag and you don't want to miss it in case it's your dream one. So give us a thumbs up, hit the bell, then go and check this out, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for tomorrow's bag.